All right, Honors 11, last assignment of this week for Thursday the 7th. So counterparts, I'm going to keep this short and sweet because you guys all know how to do this by this point. Okay, so your previous assignment was the essay setup. Okay, and this assignment is the 10-sentence essay. So just like we did last week. Okay, so for the most part, you know, they're good. You guys are nailing it. You guys are doing a good job. No one's been way off or anything like that. So I'm super happy about that. So let's finish strong here. Okay, so again, we're doing a 10-sentence thesis and go format. I've laid it out here for you. Okay, so obviously we begin with the thesis that argues something. Bring up your first idea. Show me some evidence. Explain the idea and then explain how that is tied to the thesis. Okay, in separate sentences, and then just repeat that process. Okay, and then make sure we end with some sort of summary sentence. All right, let's double check for, are we doing titles correctly? Are we using quotes within our own original sentence? Are we citing correctly Joyce and page number? Okay, so, I really need you guys to get away from saying Joyce writes or, the text shows or something like that. Blend it into your own sentence. You need to be explaining while using at the same time. Okay, we've been working on that, all year. So, like I said, this is the last thing you're gonna do for me. Show me what I've taught you. Show me what you've learned, please. Okay. So get that to me as soon as you can. If you can't get it done on Thursday, turn it on Friday. If you can't get it done on Friday, turn it on Monday. I don't care. Okay, just do a good job. That's what I want more than anything. Make this be your kind of crowning jewel of this year. Okay, again, you guys are doing a great job. I wish we could have been together to do this unit, but hey, what can we do? All right. So if you got any questions, shoot me an email. Later. See you next week.